On the Materials tab of a classroom, click View Attempts of the required assignment. Then click View Attempts for the required learner. Review the required attempt and click the rubric button. In case a document is added in the submission, you can annotate that document using a variety of annotation options. Select the scale to grade the attempt. For scoring rubric, scores will change as per the selected scales. Click the Publish Score button to publish the scores for the attempt. You can also publish or unpublish scores from the Submissions page. In case no rubric is attached to the assignment, then you can simply enter the score of the learner on the View Attempts page and it will be auto-saved. Then publish the score from the Attempts page or the Submissions page. Learners will be notified once their scores are published.